What is Alnafi? Alnafi is a project that desire to create an entity where access to best-in-class education, well-being facilities, renewable energy, and healthcare are free for all. Company overview. Mohammed Faisal, a Canadian, started Al-Nafi as a project that culminated from his experience and desire to create an entity where access to best-in-class education is provided through a multilingual platform, so that everyone has an equal opportunity and be successful in their lives. Al-Nafi initially is an online training institute where we are providing training to the students in their own regional dialects like Urdu, Arabic, Mandarin, Swahili, Turkish and various other languages in emerging subjects. We are in the process of achieving ISO 17024 accreditation for our CODs, cyber defense, offensive pentesting, digital forensics, and SCADA, and anticipate that the process will complete by the end of 2020 June. This will give us a unique standing internationally and will differentiate us further from other online learning platforms. Mission. Al-Nafi's mission is to train 200 million around the globe in emerging subjects like cybersecurity, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, digital forensics, audit, governance, autonomous driving, blockchain, data science and various other subjects. Vision. Our vision is to make access to education, renewable energy and health care free for all in Pakistan and beyond. Join now. Link in description.